Hi, it's Drew at Finale Fireworks. In this video tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to store your effects offline in an FDB effect file. Let's do it. Your Finale 3D user account comes with an online location to store your personal effect collection, and it's called My Effects. Here it is here in the drop-down list in the effects window. However, sometimes you may want to store your effects offline on your computer's hard drive. To do that, you can create an effect file by going to File, Effect Files, and then New Effects File. Now you can see in the drop-down list in the effects window that a new effect file has been added, and right now it has no name, unnamed effects file. The effects file will get a name the first time that I name it. So first let's add a few effects. Now there are a few ways to add effects to your effects file. I'll give you some examples. First is by going to the Effects menu and choosing Create an Effect by typing a description of it. For example, 3-inch red peony. I'll leave the part number as the default, and I'll change the location to Unnamed Effects File. Again, don't worry about the name. It will get a name as soon as we save the file. I'll go ahead and click Enter to create the new effect. Now I have one effect in my effects file. Another way to add effects to my effects file is by copying and pasting from another collection of effects. For example, I can go to My Effects and I can select the rows that I'd like to copy by clicking and dragging in the numbered column. And then I can do Control-C on my keyboard to copy, switch to my effects file, and do Control-V to paste. I can copy effects from any collection or any supplier catalog into my effects file. For example, I'll copy some items from Generic Effects. Control-C to copy, switch to my effect file, Control-V to paste. Another way to add effects to my effects file is by going to File, Import, and importing some effects from a spreadsheet that I prepared. So from here I can go to Import Effects File and then choose Import into Unnamed Effects File. Now I know it's a little bit confusing that you're importing an effects file and importing into an effects file. Suffice it to say that the effects file that you're importing is from an Excel spreadsheet which contains your library of effects or your inventory, and the destination is the FDB effect file in Finale 3D format. So we're going from Excel or CSV into your FDB effect file, which is formatted for Finale 3D. So I'll go ahead and choose that option, click OK. Here I can specify my CSV file, click Open, click through the rest of the boxes after I've chosen the settings, and then click OK. Now you can see my additional effects have been imported here into the effect file. So there's my effect file. The last step is to save it. So to save, I'll go to File, Effect Files, and then Save. Now I just need to give my effect file a name, and I can call it My Offline Effect File, or any name that I like. Click Save, and now my effect file has a name. There you can see my offline effect file.ftb. If I go to the folder on my computer's hard drive, I can see the effects file here, and I can share it with others by sending it in an email or using some other type of file sharing service. Each time that I relaunch Finale 3D, my effect file will automatically be reloaded. However, if I'd like to close my effect file, I can easily do that by going to the File menu, Effect Files, and then just choosing Close. If I switch computers, or I've moved the effect file to another folder on my computer's hard drive and Finale can't find it when it launches, I can reload the effect file by going to File, Effect Files, Load Effects File, and then choosing the file on my computer's hard drive. That's it for this video on working with effects offline. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out all the other great videos on our YouTube channel, and if you'd like to be notified about new videos as they come out, hit that subscribe button.